Alright, hey guys, it's me again, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about, I will be showing you guys how to make a computer. Now let's go over the parts. First you will need a motherboard. This piece of technology is used to connect everything, basically. Then we will need, this is kind of an optional item, but extremely recommended, a fan. I just get a cheap one, doesn't really matter. Yeah, a hard drive. Now this is optional. This is an SD card reader, CPU, thermal paste, screws. Now here is a heatsink. Here's a heatsink. Now the more heatsinks you have, the better it cool it is. Now I have one now, and yeah. Then also we have a bit of RAM, and this is another optional part, but it's good if you want a bit of bling. LEDs, yeah. A power device, something, you know, just kind of just stick in there to power it on, you know. A couple of zip ties. I got more. Okay, so let's start building. Now the first thing you gotta do is insert the CPU. I don't know. Now first what I like to do is just take a bit of hair paste right here. Yeah. Oh, man, that's really beautiful, man. I have it here. Let's give it. Oh yeah, there we go. That's where the thermal paste. It goes. CPU goes like this. Make sure to just. There we go. And like that, and then there we go. That you see the what thermal paste does. It makes it easier for the contacts to attach. You know, each little contact. You know, makes it really good. I'm gonna install the cooler last. It's just a personal preference. It's just a bit or at least one of the last things I'll install. So there we go. Now to install an SD card reader. Now you see these are supposed to go in here. There we go. Now the SD card reader is installed. Let's put in some screws. Like right here needs a screw. You see? There we go. That's one screw. Two screw. Three screw. Then four screw. Oh yeah, that's good. Now these zip ties go right into here. You see, the zip ties they can be easily used to as a handle. Hold on, let me fucking. Okay, there we go. And then there we go. You see, like this, and then just pull it in, and voila, you got a bit of a handle. Now I'm gonna put in two of these, two handles, one here and another one right there. You see, that's what the holes on the motherboard is for. You see, for screws, and the zip ties for holding it. There we go. Then you just to make it easier, you know, like that. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put down the phone for a second. Okay, now you just there and then. Okay, so you do it like this, you see? Now you got one of these. I'm not gonna use this one because you see, I don't really see a purpose for it. So yeah, that's better. Okay, now the fan is a tricky part because you gotta really kind of sometimes you really gotta fucking jam it in there. Oh, that was actually easy. Wow, you see, you just jam it in one of those. Bit of focus, good enough. Okay, so you see, that's what the screws are for. It's to hold the fan up. You see. Okay, now I'm just gonna go over this real quick. Dust, it's really good for the PC. You see, dust makes the PC run good. Just keep it like that. Okay. So now I'm just gonna quickly install the heatsink. Okay, there, right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, fucking beautiful. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put down the fuck. Like that. Okay. To install the heatsink, you simply do that. Give a bit of pressure. There we go. Oh, that's a beautifully installed heatsink right there. If I do say so myself. There we go. Now, LEDs. The LEDs go into this hole. You see this? This is a LED power. Right there. You see that? Right here. This is a positive, this is a negative. Now the hard drive, it basically just, you just place it on there and like right here. There we go. That's just place it on there and it'll start contacting the device. Now to install RAM, you simply do that, and then lastly that. Okay, so you may be wondering how much RAM I have. Okay, so this is 10. So yeah, this is 1, this is 1, then this is 1. So that totals to 40 gigabytes of RAM. Now to install the power, you simply, the black one is power. Just shove it in there. There we go. Now your PC is ready to go. So let me. Fucking shit. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. Okay, there we go. I'm back now. You see, this part may be the problem. So just, if you find the problem, just start. Computers are like super easy to put back together, so don't worry about this. Oh. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, good enough. Okay, so let's see here. What's the problem? Now I don't really see any problem, so let's continue fucking doing this shit. Sorry, it's just hard working on computers with only one hand. Ah, yes, there's the problem. I accidentally mixed up the black one with the blue one. You see, the blue one is actually the fucking power. So just take it in there. As you can see, if it fucking focus. There we go. Now, for some reason, okay. So, I'm gonna just close that up, back up. Yeah, there we go. That's completely and utterly fixed. Nothing's wrong with it. Now I can go and April Fools. Fuck you, motherfuckers! April Fools, ha ha ha. I'm such a funny guy. Okay, later. Yeah. Now that I practically just fucking destroyed this fucking thing. Okay. Alright, fucking later, fags.